March in Tokyo. Spring is finally knocking on the door. Pale blue skies, cherry blossoms, and days feel noticeably milder. Though it's still pretty chilly first thing in the morning, and we still get the occasional cold snap. In this video, I'll show you what March weather in Tokyo is really like, and what you should pack if you're coming. What's March weather like in a word? Calm. Historically, about 55% of March days are sunny or partly cloudy, while the other 45% bring overcast skies and certain chances of rain and drizzle. Early March can still feel pretty bitter, so gloves and a hat are a must. Also, outside of the typhoon season, May to October, March is actually the windiest month in Tokyo. The almost constant breeze makes the air feel cooler than the temperature suggests. Temperature swings are still very common too. You can easily see a 10-degree difference between one day and the next. My personal trick, I just stick my hand out of the window before deciding what to wear. Average temperatures. Here are the average highs and lows for the start, middle and end of the month. Daylight and sunshine. Daylight is nice and long now, about 12 hours. Sunrise is just before 6 AM, and by the end of the month, the sun is setting around 6 PM. Tokyo sees roughly 180 hours of sunshine for the whole month, about 6 hours a day on clear days. Rainfall. March is still relatively dry compared to Japan's summer months during the rainy season, but there is more rain this month than in February, with between 90 to 120 mil. On average, there are about 10 rainy days. Allergy warning. One thing to watch. March is peak cedar pollen season, and it's been particularly bad this year. Folks with hay fever report symptoms such as itchy eyes, dry throat, and/or a running nose. A mask and eyewear can help on windy days. Pro tip: when you return to your hotel, hang up your coat in the bathroom with the extractor fan running. Do this for about an hour or two. This will help keep pollen out of your room. Blossom season. The blooming starts in the south and rolls up across the country over a few weeks. In Tokyo, plum blossoms and early cherry varieties appear in early March. The star of the show, the famous pale pink Someyoshino, starts coming out in the third week of March and reaches full bloom some 7 to 10 days later. Sakura is really close to the hearts of the Japanese, and you can clearly see how much they enjoy this special time. What to wear? In early March, I'd still go with a warm down coat or padded jacket. On milder days, a windproof jacket or a cozy fleece. Underneath, a sweater over a t-shirt is ideal, and a woolly hat or cap for the cool mornings and evenings. Must-haves. A strong collapsible umbrella is ideal, gloves, and a selection of layers. The temperature can swing fast this month. Should you visit Tokyo in March? Yes, 100%. Even with certain rain and the pollen, March is one of the most beautiful times to be in Tokyo. The city feels calm and the sakura is stunning. If you love spring and want to see the city at its softest and prettiest, this is the month to come.